Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of MYOG, Make or Modify Your Own Gear. And today, we're going to be making something a little off the wall, but for the camp kitchen type scenario. So, I have my, this is the 8-inch Pathfinder skillet, and I've been using this little plate that I got at Walmart. One thing I've wanted for this is when I make pancakes, I sometimes mix up the pancake batter in this, and I wanted a silicone-like spatula to then bring it out into the hot pan when I make pancakes. And I think I found something that's going to work with a little bit of modification. So thus, this MYOG. So let me take you through the needed materials. First, you're going to need this McCormick brand silicone spatula. And you can get this at the Dollar Tree. I should call it the $1.25 tree because everything's $1.25 now. Isn't inflation great? There's the UPC. So you're going to need this. You're going to need these jumbo spatulas or tongue depressors. I bought these on Amazon a while back for different projects, and I've been using them. These are perfect for this MYOG. There'll be a link in the description for this. You're going to need some wood glue. I just used this Tight Bond 3 that I got. Works just fine. Going to need some clamps. And probably a drill. Okay, let's get into it. First things first. We're going to take 3 of these guys. And what you want to do is you want to put a layer of glue. Put this one on here. A layer of glue. Put this one on here. And then start clamping them together. And once you have this all clamped up and done, you got to let it set for at least 24 hours to be good and hard. Okay? So once it's good and hard, then we can take what's left over and it'll look something like this. This one's been oil treated because it's done. And you can drill a hole in one end for a lanyard hole or to hang it up with, which I recommend. But what I finished this with was some tongue oil, which is food safe. And now here is the real trick. Look at that. So I have a mini silicone spatula that will fit inside my 8-inch Pathfinder skillet. Look at that. Ain't that nifty? So make it, don't make it. That's entirely up to you. But I thought I'd share this with you because this is one of those little knickknacks that I feel I need. Because when I do take my frying pan, my skillet out into the woods, I like to make pancakes. And this just makes life a little easier on you. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. Kira, say good night. Thank you.